Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to set up the layout and layout to model to layout PDF. I will explain this tutorial. You can observe the one of the drawing already created. This is the one of the drawing. For this drawing I will explain this tutorial with the how to set up the layout, and let's get started. And then you go on to the layout. After you click on the model, the drawing is available. You can go on to the layout one I am created. After creating the layout, it look like this. You want to set up the layout. First delete all of the drawing, then how to import the model from the layout I will explain. And the page setup manager, go on to the page setup manager and go on to the modify, and first change the some of the settings. What are the paper size you want? I am clicking on the ISO A4 or A3 and ISO A3420 into 297 mm. And the layout I want to create the what to plot I want to, and scale line weights are there. You want to change the scale also. You can take the different types of scales are there: 1:1, 1:2, 1:4, like 1:10. Can observe I am clicking on the 1:10. 1:1 I am selecting and click on OK. After the page setup manager, you want to create the layout from the model. See the layout from the model, the drawing is there, and go on to the page setup manager again and the modify. You can observe the sizes of the layout. I am clicking the 1:10 and click on OK and click on close. Is the 1:10 drawing is required as per the requirement. I am clicking the page setup manager. First set the page what you want, the A4, A3 or A2, any of the A1 size of the paper what you want. First create the page setup manager by using the dialog box and click on OK. The page setup is completed of the total drawing. I will explain how to import the file. The commands, some of the commands are there to import the drawing from the model layout, and go on to the command prompt. You can click on the MView and MView and click on the first point and the end point, drag like this. Then the drawing, what the drawing in the model tab, you can observe on the before the drawing will available. Specify the first corner point and opposite corner point and click on enter. You can observe the line specify first point by using the some of the lines. I am using the 4 drawings are required. Doing the partitions, I want to 4 drawings are required. How you want to, I am 4 types of, by using the line I partition all of the drawings to 4 parts are required. Again click on the MView, simply MView and click on enter and select the first corner point and specify opposite corner of the end point where the drawing you want. You can observe the drawing is imported from the export from the model layout. You can observe this drawing of the first. You can observe the first on the first block the drawing is placed on that block. By using this MView, I will explain with the 3 blocks how to use this create the layout. In the A3 size paper and the A4 size paper, you can click the different types of. By using the MView command is very important. And go on to the annotation. You can give the annotation. You want to change the annotation scales and the display. You want to change, select that port and click on the double click. You can move the object on the below, same as AutoCAD file. You can observe the you can edit the zoom or zoom out, and you can edit the drawing in this layout only. On the first block only the separate block is created. Other layouts and other drawings are not created. By using this you can edit the drawing by using this. By simply double click on that tab, you can observe the 2D wireframe surface and click on the Z enter, A enter, zoom enter. You can observe all of the drawing in the same pattern you can observe. And this is the MView command and the zoom option by using the layout to fit this. Again I will explain the PS. What is PS? If the page is, page space, and you can observe the properties and go on to the display S. The display is locked. You can observe the display is locked, does not lock it. You can changes the, you want to does not change the drawing, you want to lock this object, click on go into the properties and view. Again I will explain with the one of the example. And the view, simply first corner point and the second corner point like this, or the drawing is placed. You want to zoom the any of the drawing you want, simply double click on the tab. You can observe the 2D wireframe, and simply with the block you want, you can zoom this and place like this. You want to come outside from this drawing, PS enter. This is nothing but the page space, and PS enter. You can the drawing, you can also use the zoom objects by using the zoom command, and simply zoom that object where you want and click on Z enter and click on object and select the object where you want to zoom and select that object. Then simply it can zoom the object. It will place as, without zooming the option, it is automatically placed that. You want to click on the PS enter, page space, and the drawing from the outside, you can drawing is outside, and the properties, and go into the properties. You want to lock this drawing without editing is not display location as. You can simply double click on that. The drawing editing is not possible by using this display as on the properties, on the miscellaneous properties, and the MView specify corner of the viewport. Again I'm by using same the MView, the same drawing is imported. Here I want to place the another block like this. I want to give the design data and the design code is required like this. First, what the page is created, A3 page is created. From that A3 page, by using the MView command, you can place the different types of object from the one drawing. You can place the different types of object from the drawing. You can place the different types of object as compared with the millimeters, and PS enter. You can outside from the drawing and go into the properties and go into the miscellaneous properties and go into the custom scale, and you can also shaded layout and the display location as. You want to display location, you have to lock this display location. You can simply lock the display without editing, and you can be using the Control P. You can print the drawing to the PDF file, and this is the MView. By using the 3 is completed. Again I will explain the one of the block is remaining by using the same as MView command. MView enter and specify the first corner point and the corner point, and the drawing is exported. Then you can observe the import from the drawing. You want to export or import is possible. I want the drawing is imported from that. I want to place this type of block is required, and by using the Z enter, select the object and click on enter. Simply you can observe the drawing is zooming like this. You can place this. Again, you are after placing the object, click on the PS enter. Is nothing but the page space. You can come out from the outside of the drawing. I want the logo here. I want to place the logo here, and the PS enter. You can observe the what are the operations I am performing on the below. You can observe the operations and PS enter. After that, after placing that, you can by using the MView PS enter and go into the properties and go into the miscellaneous properties and select the all of the objects or also multiple objects. Also you can create the miscellaneous and go into the annotation and the display location as, and the display is locked. See, all of the 4 displays are locked by using the miscellaneous properties and the page space and the MView. By using these 3 operations, you can create the model from the import from the model to the layout and print the model to the any of the paper size you want by using this method. This is the one of the drawing, and go into the page setup manager and go into the modify and go into do PDF9. What are the default printer you are installing in your PC, and select the PC to print and select the preview once. See, the preview is not in the perfect position. You can observe and click on that and display and click on the extends window and select the first corner point and select the last corner point and click on enter and go on to the fit to paper and center to plot and click on portrait or landscape. I'm selecting the landscape. You want to add the different types of plot style tables are there. I'm clicking in an option and click on the preview. See the drawing in the exact position. This is in 3 A3 size paper. It prints on the A3 size paper, and simply the preview is okay, and simply go on to the close preview and then click on OK. You can observe the print is processing, and go into the plot and click on preview again and click on the print option, and what the default printer you are installed in your PC, that as per the printer you can print the file. I will show with the Adobe PDF file. It is progressing where you want to save the file. I'm using the Do PDF 9. Already one of the tutorial explained about how to install the Do PDF 9. It has the different types of qualities of the drawings are available in the Do PDF. High quality of the drawings you can observe by using the rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can rotate the size on the Adobe, and you can observe this is the A3 by size paper. By using the model you can adjust that not only in the model layout, you can also adjust the drawing in the layout also by using the M view and the page space and the miscellaneous properties. You can use the 3 commands. You can prepare the drawing in less time by using this miscellaneous properties and the M view command. By using the how to import the model drawing to the layout and how to print from the layout, I will already explained. The file was subsequently created. You can observe on the how to import the file also I have explained. You can observe this is the model. Simply the model is also created. See, from the layout to import from the model also you can save this layout file to the model also. It is possible in Auto-Cad, and click on option and simply you can create the file by using this layouts. This is the tutorial for the how to create the layout from the model and how to print the layout.